Let's begin with an exclusive news break. India Today has accessed inside images of the Cordelia cruise ship, which has been stranded over COVID scare off the Goa coast.
इंडिया में है ना, आने के बाद आरटीपीसीआर रिपोर्ट सब कुछ नेगेटिव है, क्या मरने को है? वहाँ पे रिपोर्ट देख सकते हैं। माइक यहाँ है। इंडिया में है ना, आने के बाद आरटीपीसीआर रिपोर्ट सब कुछ नेगेटिव है, क्या मरने को है? वहाँ पे रिपोर्ट देख सकते हैं। माइक यहाँ है। इंडिया में है ना, आने के बाद आरटीपीसीआर रिपोर्ट सब कुछ नेगेटिव है, क्या मरने को है? वहाँ पे रिपोर्ट देख सकते हैं। माइक यहाँ है। इंडिया में है ना, आने के बाद आरटीपीसीआर रिपोर्ट सब कुछ नेगेटिव है, क्या?
So as you can see there, protests by passengers are happening inside the cruise ship. The ship is moving to Mumbai because the Goa government refused to give permission for the ship to dock. The Cordelia cruise ship has left now from Goa. Nobody was allowed to disembark from the ship. People who've tested negative were also not allowed to leave the ship. 66 people so far have tested positive. They weren't taken to an isolation ward in Goa. All those who were positive, all those who've tested negative, they're all on board the same ship.
इंडिया में है ना, आने के बाद आरटीपीसीआर रिपोर्ट सब कुछ नेगेटिव है, क्या मरने को है? वहाँ पे रिपोर्ट देख सकते हैं। माइक यहाँ है। इंडिया में है ना, आने के बाद आरटीपीसीआर रिपोर्ट सब कुछ नेगेटिव है, क्या मरने को है? वहाँ पे रिपोर्ट देख सकते हैं। माइक यहाँ है।
There was a big panic moment and life-threatening moment for all the negative passengers. They saw all the 66 positive members coming back from the port in the ship, and everyone was feared and they were panicked because one crew member infected 66 people.
Let's take this across to Sahil Joshi. He's joining us from Mumbai with the latest updates on this. Sahil, this is complete chaos. You know, passengers are losing it on board that ship because those who've tested negative are in the same ship as those who've tested positive. The Goa administration refused to allow the ship to dock in Goa. Has the Mumbai administration allowed?
See, the ship will be landing in Mumbai soon, and obviously the people who will embark from the ship will definitely be taken into isolation, because that is the rule, ground rule in Mumbai, that if somebody is positive, he should be isolated immediately. In fact, there is a scope for the institutional quarantine as well. So that choice might be given. Now, the question will need to be answered by the Bombay Municipal Corporation. But the rules are in place at this point of time, and it's very clear that somebody who is found to be positive will be isolated from others, and of course the others from the ship will also be asked to take the test. Without that, it's unlikely now that they will be asked to go down and go in public. But definitely, yes, they will be asked to get themselves isolated. Plus, they will be asked to take the test as well. But the people who are already positive will surely be taken separately. The municipal corporation officers are now will be approached now by the authorities there, and then finally the decision will be taken. But there will be a camp at the Cordelia cruise terminal.
But Sahil, just clear this for me. Will the ship be allowed to dock in Mumbai, because it wasn't allowed in Goa?
Well, why it was not possible, why the Goa government did not allow them to dock there in Goa, is something the Goa government will need to answer. Maybe Goa government has taken it as if they were all passengers. But in Mumbai, it doesn't look like that will happen, because there are facilities available. There are the facilities developed for the etc. are already in place, and right now Thankfully, not much of the hospitalization is there. But of course, the people who are from Mumbai will be asked to go home and get isolated. The people who are already positive will be asked to get separated. But more details will arrive soon, because we will also be asking the Bombay Municipal Corporation that what exactly is going to be their plan for this particular ship.
Okay, Sahil, just stay on with me. I just want to play out that video again that we've got for you exclusively on India Today from on board the Cordelia cruise ship, where passengers are losing their cool because those who've tested negative are now stuck in the ship with those who've tested positive. There's been no attempt to ensure that, the passengers who've tested positive were immediately moved out and taken to an institutional center, to another quarantine center, because the ship wasn't allowed to dock in Goa.
इंडिया में है ना, आने के बाद RT-PCR रिपोर्ट सब कुछ नेगेटिव है, क्या मरने को है? वहाँ पे रिपोर्ट देख के इंडिया में है ना, आने के बाद RT-PCR रिपोर्ट सब कुछ नेगेटिव है, क्या मरने को है? वहाँ पे रिपोर्ट देख के
So that's the chaos that played out inside the cruise ship, shot by one of the passengers. You can see how many of the other passengers there who've tested negative are demanding answers from the crew members as to exactly why there have been no steps to safeguard them, to ensure that, they don't also contract the virus, which is why these passengers are saying that the ship must be docked immediately. The problem for the crew members, however, is that the Goa government refused to give permission for the ship to dock there. And that's why it's turned back now and headed to Mumbai, where the BMC will now take steps to ensure that all those who've tested positive are isolated, whether in their homes or in an institutional center. Those details are awaited. And those who've tested negative perhaps will be tested again before they are let off and again made to isolate as a precautionary measure. Sahil is still with us with the details on exactly what's expected next. No passenger was allowed to disembark so far, Sahil. And you can understand, some of the angst of those passengers who've tested negative but forced to stay on board with those who've tested positive. Have there been measures by the management of that cruise ship to at least isolate those who've tested positive in the cruise ship?
The company is that they have further cancelled the further trips to Goa, because this particular cruise liner moved from Mumbai to Goa. But what they have done inside is something what we are also waiting for. They haven't officially given any kind of a statement yet. But of course, the people who have been tested positive will need to be separated within inside the ship, inside the cruise liner. They should not be allowed to mix with others who are on board ship. But it's very clear that the cruise liner will have to be held responsible for this. That how did they allow people to board without taking a test? All those details are also not yet clear. Whether, like, if you're going to Bangalore, you need to carry a RT-PCR negative test along with you. What are the possibilities that have they put any kind of antigen and other test kits on the ship to regularly check the people whether they are turning positive? Because this particular cruise is can take almost 2,000 passengers at one time. So quite a load of passengers on the ship. And when a cruise worker actually got positive first, and after that, one after the other, the people who were in touch with him, with the worker, with the employee of the ship, started getting positive, and finally the number soared to 66 out of 2,000. Now they will need to be separated, but right now there is no word from the cruise liner yet about the whole thing.
Okay, Sahil, thank you for joining us with those details. For the passengers on board, it's very, very stressful right now because there's been no measure for the ship right now to dock anywhere, which means that they're stuck on board with no option but to be on the same ship as those who've tested positive for COVID. In normal circumstances, the Cordelia cruise ship is a hub of mega parties. These passengers got on board for this New Year cruise from Mumbai to Goa, but it's turned into a COVID hotspot. Over 60 passengers passengers have reportedly tested positive out of the 2,000 odd passengers on board. So all the parties, all the mega events that were planned on board the Cordelia cruise ship not happening. And you can see angry passengers there confronting the crew members saying what's going to happen next. All of this happening because the ship wasn't allowed as scheduled to dock in Goa because of the number of COVID positive cases reported on board. The ship is now turned around, heading back to Mumbai. And on a normal circumstance, you'd see massive parties, huge crowds there on board the ship enjoying themselves on that cruise party. This time around, you can only see angry scenes as passengers are demanding answers from the crew. But let's tell you the details that we have right now about the Cordelia cruise ship. It's almost a full-blown COVID cluster because reportedly 66 out of the 2,016 passengers on board have tested positive for COVID. This cruise ship left from Mumbai to Goa. It was stranded for the longest time at the Mormugao port terminal, and now it's headed back to Mumbai because the Goa government refused to allow the ship to dock.
A Mumbai-Goa cruise ship has turned into a COVID hotspot after 66 passengers tested positive. On January 2nd, a crew member aboard the Cordelia cruise ship tested positive for COVID. Panic ensued after the infected crew member was isolated inside the ship. Reports suggest there are 2,016 passengers on the cruise. The luxury cruise ship set sail from Mumbai to Goa. After the crew member tested positive, the Goa government denied permission to dock on its port. A medical team wearing PPE kits went on the ship to test over 2,000 people, which includes passengers and crew. The RT-PCR test results showed that 66 passengers are infected with COVID. Officials have given strict instructions that no one should disembark from the ship without a negative report. The cruise is currently near Mormugao Port Cruise Terminal, awaiting permission to dock. The Cordelia COVID hotspot is similar to the Diamond Princess Cruise COVID cluster. In February 2020, during a cruise of the Western Pacific, cases of COVID-19 were detected on board the Diamond Princess. The vessel was quarantined off Japan for 2 weeks, after which all remaining passengers and crew were evacuated. With Saurabh Bakhtania, Bureau Report, India Today.